Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Zoho CRM via Node.js API. Today we are going to learn how we are going to create the invoices. Most important, like the Zoho CRM is also popular for the generating the invoices. Okay, so let's see. Invoices are what is the bills for the goods and services issued by the vendor to the customers at the time of delivery. So here you can see that there is currently no invoices. Okay, let's create it. Okay, so here we have the code for the invoices. Let's have a look. So here we have the invoices. Okay, let's go and update this. Okay, so here we have the invoices. Okay, so what we require, let's have a look. So create invoice. Let's call this function first. Okay, so here we have the invoice function. After this, we have to change our domain. It's in. Okay, what else we have to generate the payload first. Invoice payload, subject, account name. So we have to go with accounts. Here we require the account ID, so let's copy this account ID. So let's paste it. Now we need to contacts ID also, so I'm going to use any of the contact that is allotted. Let's copy and paste this. Date, invoice date, due date, whether this to be invoice draft, sent or paid, we have to make it. So I'm going to make a draft, and here we have to attach the product ID. So let's go with the products here, and we have the product ID. So let's copy this ID and use this over here. The quantity, discount, and everything you have to calculate, terms and conditions and description. So now we have to call the post API with invoices and invoice payload, and the headers we have to pass with token. So our token with token. Okay, let's have a look that invoices is created or not. So here we have the invoices created. Let's have a look. So let's go to the invoices, and here we have the one invoice. Okay, so here you can see that the invoice date, due date, grand total, accounts added, contacts added, invoice information, and everything. Here we have this one, the product is added, and this is the grand total. Okay, and here you can perform the action like create a button, send mail, export to PDF, and everything. Okay, so this is how you can generate the invoices in the Zoho CRM. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.